Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session, we will solve some numerical problem related to the pH value of the solution. Okay. So you see here the few problems I have brought to discuss with you. You see the first question which I am going to discuss. 2 gram of TiOH dissolved in water to give 2 liter of the solution. So here the specific molar concentration is not given. So in that case, how you can find out the pH value? So for this, you know that as you have to find out the pH, so you must know that minus logarithm H plus ion concentration. It means you must have the value of H plus ion. So here what we have to do for finding H plus ion, so there is a way to finding H plus ion. H plus into OH is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 4. If you will be knowing the OH ion concentration, then you will be able to find out H plus ion concentration. So if you will see from TiOH, so that you will get it. So now that will dissociate into and that will provide one OH ion. Directly I am writing the OH ion. So OH ion concentration, as you have to find out from the given mass. Actually, what is the molar concentration? Molar concentration, actually it is the molarity. Molarity is what? That can be mentioned by M is equals to NB upon volume. N can be modified into WB upon MB into volume. So here you can see the given mass is given in this question 2 gram, that you have to use. Okay, molar mass of TiOH, as you will find out, so that you will get it 221 as you will solve yourself. Okay, now after that the volume that is given into 2 liter. So when you will solve it, then you will get there the value 4.52 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. So this will be, after dividing you will get it, and this will be the molar concentration. So this value you have to use as a OH ion concentration. So as you have to find out H plus ion concentration, so what you will do, 10 raised to the power minus 14 and divide it by 4.52 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. So here directly I am writing that value. We will not waste our time for doing calculation. When you will divide it, then you will get it 2.2121 into 10 raised to the power minus 12 when you will solve it. So this becomes a molarity of H plus ion. Now you can put in the formula of pH, negative logarithm, and now you will get it 2.21 into 10 raised to the power minus 12. So that log A into B will convert into log A plus B, so that you can write 2.21 plus log 10 raised to the power negative 12. So what you will get it, negative 12 into log 10 value will be 1. So that directly you will get it negative 12. And as you have to see the value of log 2.21, so what you have to do in that condition, you will get it 0.3424. When you will see it, that value you will get is 0.3424. Again I am writing here negative 0.3424. Okay, so after solving this, okay, so that becomes a log A plus B. So minus 12, that you got it minus 12 into 10 log 10 is 1, so you are getting minus 12. And when you will solve it, then value that should be near about, here the minus sign is to be there, that I have to keep in a bracket. Now if you will multiply with this minus sign, so what will be here, that I am telling here, this becomes positive 0.3424 and this will be plus 12. Okay, and this value I have multiplied with this, so we will get only one negative sign with this. This is earlier in the positive, so now you will get it this plus and this becomes in the negative. So 12 minus 0.3424, then you will get it the value near about 11.66. So one question I have discussed the way how it is to be solved. Okay, so now we are coming on the next question, that I'm telling the way how it is to be solved, but the calculation you will do yourself. 0.3 gram of calcium hydroxide. So same thing, you have to find out the OH ion concentration. So what you will do, given mass it is given 0.3 molar mass of calcium hydroxide. If you will try to find out, then molar mass of calcium hydroxide will come near about 74 when you will solve it. Okay, directly I am writing for you. Now volume, it is given 500 milliliters, so it should be converted into liters, so it should be divided by 1000. So here I am writing there multiplied by 1000 here. Okay, so when you will solve it, you will get there the OH ion concentration, and that value will come out nearly 1.66, 8.11. Whatever the value comes, that you have to solve it. Okay, I'm leaving for you, but here you have to see the main thing which I just want to discuss. Here it is written here OH whole twice. So whatever the value you will get it, this value should be multiplied by OH ion concentration. Okay, after solving this, then you can do the one thing, either you find out the POH, negative logarithm OH ion concentration. When you will solve the POH, you will get it, and after that you can use this formula also, pH plus POH is equals to 14, and as you have to find out pH, so simply you can do 14 minus POH. In this way you can find out the pH value. Okay, the way I have discussed with you, but rest of the solution you have to do yourself. Okay, now next question you see here, 0.3 gram of NaOH dissolved in water to give 200 milliliter of the solution. Same way you have to do. It is giving 1 OH ion, so 0.3 divided by molar mass, as you have to find out of NaOH. So what you will get it, 23 plus 16 plus 1, it will be near about 40. Okay, so that you have to divide it by 40, and 200 milliliter, it should be converted into liters, so divided by the 1000. So here I have multiplied with 1000. Okay, now what you have to do when you will get it OH ion, so either you find out the H plus ion first by using that formula H plus into OH, it's up to you, and then 10 raised to the power minus 14. So after finding the H plus ion concentration, simply you can put in the formula pH. Okay, so now in this way you can get the answer, pH is equals to negative logarithm H plus ion concentration. Next question, 1 milliliter of 13.6 m HCl is diluted with water to give 1 liter of the solution. So here you have to find out, in that case you are having two different solutions. Okay, two volumes have been given, so two that you have to use there, the formula M1 V1 is equals to M2 V2. So first volume is given 1 liter, molarity is given 13.6, and second molarity you have to find out, volume is given once again 1 liter. 1 liter that is given in both the cases. One is 1 milliliter and second is 1 liter. So this is 1 milliliter, so that should be converted into liter, so it should be divided by 1000. Okay, so in this way you can find out the value of M2 after cross multiplying, then you will get the answer easily. Okay, so you will get there the molar concentration, but you have to find out pH. Don't forget, after finding the molarity you have to put in that the formula of pH, negative logarithm H plus ion concentration. Okay, so try to find out the answers properly. That's all for today's session.